What's up, YouTube? It's Fox over here. I do reaction videos to everything and anything in South Africa, around the globe, my guy. Today we've got DJ Speedster. We're gonna check Touchline Freestyle. Yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, let's go.
Let's rap, man.
And Speedster, I don't know, man. He likes setting up these rappers. But let's hear Touchline.
This guy always does this like in the most sneaky ways. It's never like, yo, touchline, we're about to play.
Yeah, you should never see it coming. If this is your daily bread that you do, when I say, hey, daughter, wake up and bust a free, you must do that, man. You can't expect me to be a pilot, and then when they say, hey, wake up, let's go drive a plane, and I can't do that. You're a rapper, you must do it.
Beat you ready, bro?
You a pro, right?
Yeah,
Let's go.
I love this beat, man. Shout out Shabs and Medallion, shout out PJ Speedster.
Yes, sir.
Shout out 5FM.
Let's do it.
Okay, yabona lezi zabo
Sorry. I can tell he's thinking like, shit, what am I gonna say? But I have to respect him. This is a freestyle. This is a freestyle.
uma cruise esibali esipush ispan esichange iflow hlafunela iscoop ngenkani shoot asilali abguthi ngegadi sakunika baba in English otsotsi ta. Okay,
I mean, it's a freestyle, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
shoot asilali abguthi ngegadi sakunika baba in English otsotsi ta. Okay, if I wanna go there again. Let's go.
Let's go.
I need some volume, please. Nah?
On your mic.
Okay.
On the beat.
On the beat.
Let's go. Touch.
Hey, this beat is crazy. Yo.
Sure. Yeah. Yabona lezi zabo macruise esibali esipush ispan esichange iflow sihlafunela iscoop ngenkani shoot asilali sidlula amagoods ngegadi sakunika baba in English otsotsi ta. Esh
Oh. So that was written, right? So when he started with that line, that verse. Okay, I guess
angisho uyazi mina ngila
I guess it's not a freestyle, but
if I wanna go there again. Let's go. I need some volume, please. Nah?
On your mic.
On the beat.
On the beat. Hey, this beat is crazy. Yo.
Sure. Yeah. Yabona lezi zabo macruise esibali esipush ispan esichange iflow sihlafunela iscoop ngenkani shoot asilali sidlula amagoods ngegadi sakunika baba in English otsotsi ta. Esh angisho uyazi mina ngila ngokupressa ngathi ngiyaflex.
for me, rappers should come prepared. Write the verse that you know what, this one I'm gonna use. When they start tuning the beat up, I'm gonna use this one. Don't, man.
Sa bengithi ngithenga ibhima sharp ngiyaflexa ngaphi exhaust ngathi voice ka Questa sure ngisho ngokumtshentshela
Okay, that one was a slick one. Happy exhaust, not voice quest. Oh shit.
mina ngila ngokupressa ngathi ngiyaflexa bengithi ngithenga ibhima sharp ngiyaflexa ngaphi exhaust ngathi voice ka Questa sure ngisho ngokumtshentshela isilahla manje ujolela indlala ongithengisa impahla engithi ubhema ivape kanti isibhamu se-asthma I get money through the bars.
Yeah. I'll give you that one. Let's hear it again. I-vape akazi yenzani ngathi asthma pump.
bengithi ngithenga ibhima sharp ngiyaflexa ngapha i-exhaust ngathi ivoice kaQuesta sure ngisho ngokumtshentshela isilahla manje ujolela indlala ongithengisa impahla engithi ubhema i-vape kade isibhamu se-asthma I get money through the bars ngathi ngithengisa esiphaza ngoba vele iPakistan
Ooh, 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 ooh.
ngapha nangapha said I'm
Nah. We have to hear that one again. Shit. There's Pazapa.
to ubhema i-vape kade isibhamu se-asthma I get money through the bars ngathi ngithengisa esiphaza ngoba vele
I got money through the bars, nothing taking Sespaza. I don't know if people, of course, as a South African, we're gonna know this, but I don't know if, okay, probably like Africa, maybe in the world, I don't know, but yeah, that was a dope line.
iPakistan ngapha nangapha said I'm the greatest bheka manje apha mangami so many haters mase ngikhipha imali yami bonke bafuna
Oh, and he said something about Pakistan's. Let's go back a bit. We are here we are checking some buzz, niggas. We're checking some buzz, so yeah. So let's go.
bars ngathi ngithengisa esiphaza ngoba vele iPakistan ngapha nangapha said I'm the greatest bheka manje apha mangami so many haters mase ngikhipha imali yami bonke bafuna ukufaka isandla ngathi ngivula izambaka okay kude maniki izindala zombini buye okay cool let's do it again
You hit it, man.
let's go we're going
Let's
I'm
go,
gonna take
let's
top of the dome all right
Catch it.
yeah and Okwamanje, let's take it top of the dome. At this point, 5FM feels like home. Okay, sharp. The boys back in the zone. Okay, never playing like I'm injury prone. You know how it is. Let's pay to Shabzi medallion. Pay to Shabzi medallion.
Aye, bro. Okay, but if you're not, for me, if you're not a freestyle rapper, I think don't try it, bro. Don't try it. Because now you're gonna embarrass yourself. I'll come in with a verse ready, my guy, and I'll bust the free right there. So if we ask good you're not I'll continue being a freestyle. For me, don't go there. Because now you're gonna be starting. I feel like Julius Malema. But that's not bad.
Things get rocky like the Italian stallion. I can show you what's in store like a mannequin. Speedster ongidlalela ibhita sikhoma ukuthi senza kanjani ethembisa uyangifila bajabela isking sam isding okay sharp what it is I a pro I'm jumping on the beat of the legend Mr. Pro what it is niggas about to blow touchline
Yeah, I mean, I think you should have stopped rapping that time. Before he said, let's take it from the dome. I think it should have just stopped there. But I'm not mad, he tries. I mean, for me, I'll be judgmental for a rapper who says started in 2014, probably still in the game till now. I mean, I'm gonna judge you, my guy. Basically, as much as you can say you maybe blew up or you came out in 2018, for me, I'm gonna judge, my guy.
nigga really taking it slow I'm just rapping throw me a word okay cool you ain't give me a verse okay what whip am I whipping wanna know touchline in the beam of flow I'm just coming through again rapping like I'm crazy touchline back on air misbehaving oh man your girl is gravy you know what it is when it
Okay. Okay, is it over? Okay. For me, I'm not mad. I know Touchline is a dope artist. I mean, I've been listening to Touchline ever way back. So I'm not mad at him for messing up the freestyle. But for me, write it, people are pulling up their phones sometimes when they say they need to do a freestyle, go Drake on them. Don't force to you're not do me, dog. you're not Stogie T. I mean, only Stogie T I think can do that. Okay, not only, but you know what I'm saying. Um, Otherwise, overall performance, I think it was a solid 6 plus. Yeah, I'd give it a solid 6, because it wasn't consistent through. I like the fact that he tried to freestyle. But if I was him, I wouldn't try to freestyle. But yeah, punchlines here and there. The asthma one, the ngithole inyuku ngathi sesiphaza bar, whatever. What else? Exhaust ngathi voice kaQuesta. I mean, I couldn't fault the guy for trying to bust the freestyle. But man, rappers, man, come prepared. Take out your phone. It's not a must for you to do a freestyle. I mean, if you can, you can. Freestyle and then see if you can. But thank you for watching. Uh, Please tell me what to react to. Drop your comments. Like, follow, share. Everywhere. Yeah. Catch me on another video.